Welcome to our cozy nest
cabin.
And it's always an adventure up here, isn't it? We have been getting ready for the deep freeze here, as you guys have seen all of those fun videos.
And if you've missed them, make sure to subscribe so when we push out a new video you see it. But we did a lot of the insulation, pipe wrapping, and some of those other things.
Yeah. So now that the snow's falling, it's time to focus on the inside, trying to make it more cozy, make it more home.
Yeah. Somebody asked Michelle the other day, said, "Hey, does this feel like home?" And what was your answer?
Said, not quite. I still feel a little scattered, and I'm not quite settled in.
Yeah, so we're going to show you a few different things that we've seen, and obviously love to hear comments below, but some of the stuff that we're up against.
One of the big things that has kind of bothered me is trying to have a conversation with people in this room. It's not laid out very well. We have one couch here, and the other one's all the way over here. So if I'm sitting here, I feel like I have to yell to talk to the person across the room. So we are going to rearrange the furniture, try and make it a little more inviting.
One thing that really bugs me is that I have to skinny through this every time I'm trying to do something. And originally when this was a hunting cabin, it was great because the table was turned the other way. We could get 6 to 12 people around this and we had a lot of fun. What we're finding out is 99.999% of the time, just Michelle and I. Now the kids do come up, we do have guests, but this table's just probably not the right setup, and then trying to skinny past this. Trying to figure out if we just build a little nook for 2 people or 4 people or 6 people.
As we use that table, how much of that table do we use?
Well, to give people an indication, these 2 boxes have been sitting on that end for a long time, so about that much. And the other weird part is when we sit at it, we're really kind of scooting forward most of the time that we're here. We're really not relaxing and just sitting at the table.
So if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I like to cook and do things in the kitchen. It was the hunting cabin. We just kind of threw stuff in the drawers of what we might need. And so, yes, it may look a little organized, but trying to find stuff still is a little tricky. So we bought some more trays to help organize that. How many things do we need for the barbecue? I don't think we need that many.
Well, once again, like you said, we just brought it up from the house, right? So
yeah.
We had, that's both sets, the one that was here and then the one that we brought up when we moved up here, not remembering what was here.
Yeah, so just a couple things.
So as you can see, Michelle and I are always trying to find ideas to make this feel more like home. And we really encourage you to subscribe, make comments below, let us know what you think. One thing we found off Facebook Marketplace is this mirror. And how much did we pay for that mirror, honey?
It was free.
Yeah, free $99, and it really brightened up the room a lot. And so we're going to keep trying to source another table for over here and some other things. So please put in the comments below what you think. Give us ideas. We've had people say it's horribly laid out as a small house, and we couldn't agree more. Or as a tiny home, we just don't know how to fix it. And we've got other things we got to address, like these buckets that are on the floor. Those drive me bonkers as well.
But yet he sure likes my cooking.
Yeah, well, but I hate them right there on the floor. I mean, so we need them, is I think what you're saying.
Yeah.
But where they're at is not the best.
kitchen hanging baskets. Here's our organizer. Let's see how it looks in the drawer. Which way should it go, do you think? Want that with this gap in the back, in the front. Maybe turn it sideways and have this spot. Have to play with it and see. I don't know. This kind of shows you the mixture of silverware that we got, just for anything goes here at the cabin. Does this happen to you with your measuring spoons? Do you have a favorite set of measuring spoons? What are they? I love my Tupperware measuring cups. Haven't figured out the measuring spoons yet. Look better?
All right, so we did a few different projects here. We put the baskets up over here in the corner. Anything else fun, hun?
Yep. And time will tell if we like the way the couches are. I think it's gonna work.
But we are, yeah, it does feel a little bit close to the stairs here. Is that a stair or a ladder? It's a ladder. But we build it, kind of fun, interesting. So the biggest thing is just keep trying, keep looking for ideas. Remember, if you want to make a comment, tell us some ideas you might have for our cabin, please link below. We're always open and listening.
Always looking for better organization ideas for tiny spaces.
And remember,
You got this.